Hoover AXI is the first washing machine equipped with artificial intelligence. It's able to understand, suggest, and adapt to any lifestyle or need. It can be used in 4 different ways: directly via display, via app, via voice control, and via digital butler. You can communicate with the washing machine via the app in order to start it. Check washing setting and progress, and get help with setting and features. Let's try using the app with the vocal function Hoover Talks. Are you intelligent?
Well, I keep your consumption under control and I give you some feedback to optimize them.
How can I remove nail polish stains?
Place a cloth under the dirty side and wipe the stain with non-oily nail polish and dilute it with water. If the stain should resist, add denatured alcohol.
You can find the most suitable and customized way to select the right program using guided washing. Select fabric, color, dirty level, and steam option. AXI suggests which washing setting is best for you. In alternative, you can choose a specific setting, customizing it however you like. Getting more information about the setting you are choosing. The Care Dose system selects the right amount of detergent based on weight up to 21 cycles. You can check the detergent amount via the app anytime. You can get extra content, like a guide to clean different stains in order to find the best way to take care of your garments. Advice about how to manage different colors and fabric is also available, together with a maintenance guide. Thanks to the app, you can set a delayed start. AXI will inform you if there is a bad weather, suggesting postponing the washing. You can check your washing machine maintenance status. To preserve the best performance, wash after wash. With Checkup Cycle, you can control the correct functioning of the machine. With AXI, you will be paper-free. Through the direct link, you can get all the manuals on the app, including registering, voice control, and personal assistant settings. Thanks to digital butlers, you can control your AXI anywhere in your house, even without your smartphone. Here is how Google Home works. Okay, Google, talk to Hoover Wizard.
Hi, I'm Hoover Wizard, your personal assistant.
How long does it take to finish the cycle?
The cycle will end in 43 minutes.
AXI, wash the way you live.